Before buying an electric scooter for your kids, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Vulpam 350W Electric Scooter. The Vulpam electric scooter caught my eye with its powerful 350W motor and a top speed of 19 miles per hour, all for just $159.99. If you want your child to zip around while feeling safe, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this scooter might be the answer to your worries. The 350W motor gives it a solid performance that can climb up 15% inclines, making it perfect for neighborhood hills. It has a strong battery that lasts for up to 15 miles per charge, so your kids can enjoy longer rides without constantly recharging. Plus, the dual braking system ensures that they can stop quickly when necessary, which is crucial for safety. It even has smart app integration to monitor speed and battery life, which is a fantastic feature for tech-savvy kids. With over 1,000 reviews, averaging 4.1 stars, many parents are pleased with its performance. Now, some people have pointed out that it's a bit heavier than some other options, making it less portable for younger kids. Here's the thing though, if your child is older and can handle the weight, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It offers fantastic safety features and speed. This is perfect for you if your kid is ready for a more serious ride and enjoys commuting around town. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option for smaller kids. For the price, you're getting some serious performance and safety. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vulpam Kids Electric Scooter. Next up, we have the Vulpam Kids Electric Scooter, priced at just $99.98. This one grabbed my attention with its adjustable speed settings for younger riders. If you want a scooter that grows with your child, this is worth checking out. This scooter features a 250W motor with 3 adjustable speeds, 4, 6, and 10 miles per hour. This means kids can start slow to build confidence and then go faster as they get more comfortable. The battery might not last as long as others, but it's still enough for school commutes or fun at the park. Safety is a big focus here too, with multi-layer battery protections and a rear braking system that helps prevent slips. Plus, the LED display keeps your kid informed about speed and battery life. Parents love that this scooter is rated 4.1 stars from over 1,000 reviews, showing it's popular among families. Some reviews mention that the scooter struggles with heavier kids, especially if they're near the 155 pounds limit. However, for lighter kids, this scooter is fantastic and offers an enjoyable riding experience. This is perfect for you if your child is just starting out with electric scooters and needs something manageable. Skip this one if you have a heavier child who might outgrow it quickly. For the price, it's a great starter scooter. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for younger kids. Product number 3, Gotrax GKS Mini Electric Scooter. Next, let's talk about the Gotrax GKS Mini Electric Scooter for kids ages 6 to 12, available for $99.99. This one stood out with its super easy ride mechanics. If your child is a beginner, this might be just what they need. This scooter features a 150W motor that reaches speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour, making it thrilling yet safe for young riders. It has a thumb control for acceleration, meaning kids can start slow at 1.5 miles per hour and ramp up as they gain confidence. Safety is a big concern for parents, and this scooter is UL 2272 certified, ensuring it meets safety standards. The rear foot brake also allows for quick stops, which is crucial for younger riders. Plus, with over 7,300 reviews and a 4.4 star rating, it's clearly a favorite among families. However, some users found a range of just 3.75 miles a bit limiting for longer outings. But here's the thing. This scooter is designed for short, fun rides. So if your child is just using around the neighborhood or at the park, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if your child is new to electric scooters and needs something simple and safe. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle longer distances. For the price, it's fantastic for beginners. Now, if you're interested in something with a bit more flair, the next scooter might catch your eye. Product number 4, Lingting Electric Scooter. The The Lingting electric scooter for kids is up next, priced at $86.99. What caught my attention was its Kickstart feature, making it unique and safer for younger riders. If you want a fun scooter experience with added safety, this one's definitely worth considering. This scooter is designed for kids aged 6 to 10 and has 2 speed modes, 4 miles per hour and 6 miles per hour. It won't start until your child is moving at 2 miles per hour, which prevents accidental starts. A great feature for nervous parents. It has adjustable height settings for growing kids, and with a weight limit of 110 pounds, it's suitable for a wide range of ages. The flash wheels and deck lights add a cool factor that kids love. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 2,200 reviews, parents appreciate its design and safety features. Some parents mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer, which might frustrate some. But here's the thing, once you get it together, it's a solid, fun ride for your child. This is perfect for you if your child loves cool features and needs something easy to handle. Skip this one if assembly instructions are a deal breaker for you. For the price, it offers great fun and safety. Finally, if you're still looking for a fun ride with some solid reviews, the next scooter is a great option. Product number 5, Gotrax GKS Mini Electric Scooter, Light Pink. Last but not least, we have the Gotrax GKS Mini Electric Scooter in a vibrant light pink, also priced at $94.99. This one is similar to the previous Gotrax model, but offers a fun color option. If you want a stylish choice that's just as safe and easy to ride, this is worth a look. Just like its counterpart, this scooter features a 150W motor and a speed of 7.5 miles per hour, which is perfect for young adventurers. It's UL 2272 certified, ensuring your child's safety while they ride. The thumb control is simple to use, making it easy for kids to start and stop effectively. With over 7,300 reviews and a consistent 4.4-star rating, this scooter proves to be a reliable favorite among parents. A few users pointed out that the battery life could be improved, but for short rides around the neighborhood or park, it offers enough fun. So, if your kids are just having fun locally, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if your child loves to stand out with their scooter's color. Skip this one if you need something that can go longer distances. For the price, it's a fantastic value for style and safety. So, to wrap it up, we have the Vulpam 350W for the older kids, the Vulpam Kids for the beginners, the Gotrax GKS Mini for the safety conscious, the Lingting for added cool features, and the vibrant Gotrax GKS Mini in pink for stylish young riders. Each scooter has its strengths, so think about what your child needs most. Happy riding!